Hi everyone, welcome today. Today we are talking about mortality signals. Every year, millions of rows of global health data are published. We have more data than ever before on why people die, malaria, cardiovascular disease, nutritional and deficiency. Data is not intelligence. A dashboard with 50 filters isn't an answer, it's a haystack. Health analysts today burn hundreds of hours just looking for the needle. They ask, where is the crisis? Is it getting worse? And most importantly, what happens if we intervene? Paradigm to decision intelligence. We start with detection to analysis using Tableau and we predict the simulation. We automate the search for anomalies. We use G-score analysis and severity triaging using forensic investigation with Tableau, which provides seamless context, power features, and enterprise security using JWT tokens. We predict the turning statistics into policy using counterfactual modeling, actionable output. We have signal to solution in minutes. We use a modern decoupled technical architecture with a client layer with React and White, cloud layer with Google Cloud Run, fast API backend using real-time G-score simulation logic, data and BI layer with Tableau, and data layer using Panda. Study security and integration with React app using JWT tokens and Tableau secret values. And white matters is zero leakage, codes restricted to authorized origins, data pipeline from raw CSV to instant insight. Kaggle raw data we use, feed it into a ETL engine, which goes to optimize Parquet and the fast API backend. The performance strategy, we calculate statistical baselines, ensuring the UI remains responsive even with 30 years of global data. This is the front end of the app. We see the observatory where we have global mortality observatory has AI powered mortality analytics. As we can see on the right hand side, we have the latest signals and we go down, we see cause categories and we can explore entities for all 61 countries hosted here. Also have option to choose a country and see their respective statistics. Signal feed, we use mortality anomalies and insights to see the information and take relevant actions. See here, we can perform entity comparison where we compare the mortality trends across multiple countries and regions. We have taken the example of Algeria and Bangladesh. We see the comparative insights, which shows us that Bangladesh has 3.9 times more deaths than Algeria in 2019. We see the entity statistics year-wise. To the scenario builder, which is models the impact of mortality interventions. We select India as an entity, we look for intervention templates, and we can choose any specific diseases like kidney diseases, cardiovascular disease, and chronic respiratory diseases, and choose to run the simulation. Once we run the simulation, we can see the impact analysis which India achieved, and we see the baseline versus scenario data along with the deaths averted by year. Most important part of our section, we have Tableau Analytics, which provides professional business intelligence powered by Tableau Cloud. We have interactive dashboards which shows the global mortality trend over a period and the top 10 causes of death here. We use this to perform data pipelining where we have API process raw mortality data in the form of CSV or JSON or Hyper and advanced visualization, which helps us to provide drill down, filtering, and geography mapping. And then we have enterprise sharing as well. We have raw data from Kaggle, which we send to ETL pipeline, transform and enrich the data. Then we perform API export using API export Tableau Ready and then the Tableau Cloud. When we click on the View Global Dashboard, the view in Tableau Cloud where we see the same statistics. When we click on View Export Options, we have this export options in CSV, JSON, file format. To the backend of the system, this is where the Swagger pages for mortality signals API are hosted. We have the data, the Tableau data, and insights, scenario, clustering, export section. Now moving to the GitHub repo. This is the GitHub repo where we have all the details regarding the architecture for the front end, back end, overall architecture, the data pipelining, and the tech stack involved, and how we can clone and start up this app. And these are the live URLs which are hosted. This is the project structure. The hackathon criteria, we are using a novel concept which combines AI signals with what if scenarios to create true decision intelligence. We are using Tableau integration, which uses JWT tokens for bidirectional flow. We uses technical merit. We have Python G-score plus a modern React fast API stack. For user experience, we're using a polished observatory UI with dark light modes. And practical utility, we're using analyst efficiency gap in global health. Future roadmap, what we plan for the hackathon, then we can use it for real-time and mobile and advanced intelligence and further on to enterprise scale. Transfer mortality data into actionable intelligence. We don't just show you death rates, we show you where you can be using abnormal data to prove that we can help you plan how you save lives.